Take a ride in the 2017 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, backup camera, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player, keyless start, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.